Welcome everyone. I am back. Today is July the 17th, 2022. We're going to talk about Ethereum Classic today. Urgent bullish news. The market is ready for more huge gains. I'm going to talk about that today for Ethereum Classic. Now, welcome everyone to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin. As you guys can see in front of you, I come through and I produce price predictions. I forecast where I suspect the market is going to go so that you and I can be in position and we can capitalize from the move. You guys can already see that we won today. The market actually came to our ultimate TP price and we got 21.5%. Simple, right? Now, if y'all want to continue to learn how to make this consistent, profitable trades, forecast predictions, then go ahead and join me. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to my channel. Tap the bell notification as well, because you need to be one of the first ones to see my ideas as to where I suspect price is going to go so that you can actually be in position and win. So let me go ahead and take this away. Oh, first of all, let me go back and talk about it, okay? Because back on June the 26th, 2022 was the price prediction that I first created in Ethereum Classic. Now, I was telling you all at that particular moment in time that yes, $17 is a point where the sellers were positioned. They were there selling their Ethereum Classic into the market. So expect the price to go down in Ethereum Classic. That is precisely what the market did. So I wasn't confused. I wasn't questioning why the market in Ethereum Classic is going down, because I knew why. Because the sellers were there at $17. Now, here we are today. The buyers overtook and overpowered the sellers at $17. And now we're seeing our next restriction point, which is around 20. But nevertheless, you guys can see today 21.5% from that prediction. That is done. That is over. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this horizontal line here and we're going to utilize it for the next point of restriction. It's just that simple. We just follow the market. If the market is going to continue to move higher, then we should see price break $20. So that's the next hurdle for the buyers. All right. Now, can we still see those gains? I mean, the market in Ethereum Classic has already run up about from the low of yesterday to the high of today is around 39%. Could we still see more gains? Let's talk about it. Because at first, just like when I did my video in June, we could still see sellers appear at the market at $20, push the price down in Ethereum Classic from out the gate. As long as the market buyers come in and confirm 18, I would even take it as low as $17. We can still suspect that there's gains still to be had as we continue to go forward in time. All right, so let me extend this line here. And I wanted to show you all the weekly time frame first, because currently this current weekly price bar, even though we got 6 hours and 58 minutes left, still resembles that the market is trying to move up in price. It is still there. I like the weekly chart right now into the market for Ethereum Classic. Looking at this market here on the 2 weeks. Okay, we got what, 6 hours and 58 minutes here too, but the market is still showing us strength. So from the weekly and the 2 weekly chart, yes, it looks like there's still some gains to be had into the market in Ethereum Classic. The only problem is that we don't know the answer to is how much gains. Is it 5% gains? Is it 20% gains? Is it 30% gains to be had? What do you think? Look at the market right now in Ethereum Classic on the 3 weekly chart and it looks pretty good. Okay, so the market doesn't look that bad right now. Okay, look at this on a 5-day chart. You guys can see that the strength is still being resembled, albeit I am under the premise that yes, we can see selling come into the market right now at $20, push the price down, back down to around $18, $17, and then from there we should see a reclaiming of price movement higher. Okay, fantastic move right here on the 3-day chart as well. So all in all, the market here in Ethereum Classic still looks pretty decent, right? I'm just here to tell you, just be prepared for the market to dip, because a lot of people are going to take this opportunity that we've seen this massive run up in Ethereum Classic to sell, right? Especially the people who bought Ethereum Classic when it's trading around $14. So just be ready for that. Okay. Now let me look at this on the hourly chart, because I want to see if the selling is coming in right now. Because currently you all can see that yes, we are breaking out in price in Ethereum Classic, which is fantastic. We love to see those type of ideas because it tells us where the overall sentiment of the market is trying to go. But I don't think that's going to last long. I'll be wanting to keep it real. I don't think the market's going to continue to run like it is in Ethereum Classic. So right now, I'll just wait. But I'm still looking for the market from, you know, the 5-day, the weekly, the 2 weeks time frame to continue to go up. What I could look forward to is, like I said, The market here in Ethereum Classic get rejected at 20, comes down, bounce around 18 possibly, might even fall down to 17, but then the market longer term will continue to push this price up higher above 20. That's what I'm trying to show you all. Okay, that's the forecast that I'm trying to generate into the future for Ethereum Classic. Okay, so now let me go ahead and drop this on the chart because we want to see how much gains can be had, right? So let me show you what I'm looking at. So I told you, as long as the price in Ethereum Classic holds around 17, we're going to expect the market in Ethereum Classic to continue to move up in price. Let me take it down to 16. I'll do 16. Okay, do 16. So now let me go ahead and extend this out to about mid-August. Now the first area that we can see sellers appear outside of where price is now is 22. Okay, that will give us a gain of around 11%. I can see the market sellers be positioned there around 22, push the price down again. So we want to be prepared to grab some profitability out the market in Ethereum Classic right there. Okay, so that's what, almost 11%. Now let's say in the long term, let's say that the buyers take out the sellers at 22. The next area is going to be up here towards 24. That gives us another 20% run up, another one. So that's not bad. Now this is not the opportunity to become greedy, because we all can see what is the trend into the market for Ethereum Classic. This cryptocurrency is still in a pretty good downtrend. So we want to make sure that we keep aware of that. Okay, we want to make sure that we keep our eyes focused on where we can see the market actually in Ethereum Classic get back down to some lower prices, or where we can see some rejection. So this could be the ultimate point that Ethereum Classic buyers are trying to run the market to in the long term. It's possible, but we need to stair step our way up there. Okay, because I'm not going to give you an outlandish price prediction when we have yet to determine if the buyers will be able to take out 22 or even $23. We have to see those areas first taken out. But look, from where price is to hit this downtrend line, it's still around 50% run up in price. So we'll continue to accumulate that as we continue to see the buyers wanting to move the price high. If they don't, then trust and believe we'll continue to grab the bag while we have the opportunity. Now, this is the things that I'm seeing. It's your turn. You guys can go ahead and drop your quick price prediction, your price target into the market, and we'll see which one is right. Okay, this is what I'm looking forward to. Now I want to know, what are you looking forward to into the market for Ethereum Classic? Okay, now I'm done. Go ahead and give me your idea. Leave me a comment. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.